continuation of last video. So what is the DBMS? It's a database management system. It is a software that is responsible for storing, manipulating, maintaining, utilizing database. A database along with the data DBMS is referred to a database system. There are various DBMS software available in the market. Nowadays we have this Oracle, MS, MySQL, and Sybase. MS MySQL means Microsoft SQL Server, and then Postgres SQL, SQLite. Okay, so if you see here, this DBMS refers to the database management system, and the software, it is not at all a hardware, it is a software. So it is now available in everywhere. You can install those softwares, and it is the responsible for storing, manipulating, maintaining, utilizing database. What's the meaning of that? You can store every details of the students and then manipulate all the things and then maintaining the database for next year and utilizing the database for various actions. So a database, along with the database, DBMS is referred to the database name. There are various DBMS software available in market like Oracle, MySQL, MS SQL, Sybase, Progress SQL. Those things are there. Okay. So next one is purpose of our DBMS. What is the purpose? Purpose means why we need such DBMS. DBMS reduces the redundancy. What is the redundancy? Means duplication of data. So for example, if you are making one key, one particular field or the column is a primary key, for example, roll number is unique. You should not be duplicated. Every student will have different unique IDs, so that if you want to reduce the redundancy, if you don't want the duplication of records, you must declare that field as primary key so that it won't allow any roll number will be duplicated or repeated. If it repeats, then it will throw error. So this is what the thing we need. We need to avoid completely the duplications of record. That's why we need to have this particular database, relational database, in order to avoid the duplications of data, because the data are kept at one place and all the application refers to the centrally maintained database. Database controls inconsistency. What is the meaning of inconsistency? When two copies of the same data do not agree each other, then it is called inconsistency. By controlling redundancy, the inconsistency is also controlled. So inconsistency means if the same record is now repeatedly maintained two times, it won't accept each other. So that we need to reduce one. So by controlling, giving primary key, this redundancy or the duplication will be avoided, so that inconsistency also controlled. The next one, database facilitate sharing of data. What's the meaning of sharing? Data stores in the database can be shared among several users. So one table will be related to it, connected with another table if the primary keys are same, so that you can share both the data. So this both the data, the tables data will be linked together, merged together to make one particular table, and it will be shared among several users. Next one, database ensures security. So in order to avoid accidental erasing, accidental modifying of data, every persons will be authorized to access. So unauthorized persons will not access this database. So database manager will create every account for every users. So according to the user personal ID and password, this transactions can be done, and accident, erasing, modification or updation of any records will be avoided. So this is what the thing we need. Security, we need to have this database. Then databases maintains integrity. What's the meaning of integrity? It enforces certain integrity rules to ensure the validity of correctness of data. So a date cannot be like this one 25 25. So it has to